Your next car could be the 2019 Ford F-150. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a hard-working Ford F-150, the light-duty, full-size pickup that leverages high-strength steel and military-grade aluminum alloy to bring you class-leading payload and towing capabilities. Easier than ever to use, this truck is designed to maximize productivity on the road, trail, or job site. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, keyless entry, 8-cylinder engine, remote engine start, wood grain interior trim, keyless start, 4-wheel drive, cooled front seat, power passenger seat. Get more out of a light-duty pickup than you ever thought possible. This F-150 is waiting just for you. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.